kajan shangan wala shanga diok ka pai wal ronkin dangro jandangro diich bantin kon lat korodian ray which ka South Sudan gwaden cha Dr. Machar chaje luktin kene jokware na mede der la mede kon diala link do badan en cha Dr. Machar chaje luka jen wale dio je kon dia lip kon long kamandan en dong den ling ngumi chala re yang Machar but right now chi kon te ko ban me ban je link do badan cha non ka je ko en Dr. Machar wale ray which ka juba cha right ban mandan chora lat ban je link kel kan kono niam please gorno jin bler me binwane ko ken ko de na me der chop kan diala content no kajeno de kantin kono talk ray which ka juba ka kwi Dr. Machar de keneling ko do badan en len marudin ke je gor jeno be latin diala content chalat gwasme ke do badan ci luk cha o ke je ko luk cha je lugan walle no meno cha je passport ba cha je nang niam ban je linga je lerem but bana kon lan mandan en chalat Dr. Riek Machar no ngumi chalat railer kaname wada dan enti ke jetin and then ban jelinga jeler mane kan kono niam goro tije ya mi jiram jidit gwasme gor jeno jin bi channel bi support ko de titende kan chamala shubkaji de notification be already je twan ko mi chaler chaje la rech de chamala shubkaji an wala ka chanka dioka pai wel ron kin dangro wi jandang ro de diech ci Dr. Machar she investigation inshallah chaje reject Machar reject investigation cite constitutional immunity Riek Machar she luganda na sha luge chaje lok an wale chala no man chalat jene chatre ngoni jeni gente ki immunity ko dertin kon lat ke dere ka challenge ka jodana chalat gwasme jeni special code na chalat investigation ji kana lat ka jodana chalat chala ro ne jeni tele ka long ki tele ke chuong ba gurno be je kun je ba ka to English ka dobran chalat ke je ko bi ko link no the special court 8 investigator present statement from 4 of the accused on Friday but Dr. Machar rejected the inquiry entirely citing his constitutional immunity and refusing to recognize the Minister of Justice investigation committee Riek Machar chenete kone ya kwany no chi investigation chikano lat kata dana chikorie tuoga je kitin diala kone chare leka wachi Riek Machar chejere jak chegere jak bo meni kontila Minister of Justice ta dana chik let keje ngai kon Minister of Justice kan ji luong den kon chananen wachi lok no en walle jen lugan bakalien ngai kon diale ka special court e chala den go cha tong ne ke jen changa jandang rawide rawedan ka jen pai wa kede ko lara pai bangwan an walle jen changa bakalien ko ba ne dangwan tintikel ke Dr. Machar ba ke investigate ki ba ka question ko chala no cha witness ni cha ke no ka ci ka raj dundo ci Riek Machar ci mandan en chalat ci jere jak cha jomo cha jala no cha ne dangwan tin kontin cha gwainkel ke Dr. Machar walle waken cha ga tij dundo ci Dr. Machar shene din kontila investigator team jaga challenge ka jodan chalat kije mimo ngai kona gwano ci Riek Machar ci mission me ci de monno ko menedom ko Riek Machar ngaje mandan en lade ngaje ajan lip kono no ngum bala Riek Machar of course ne dia right na la na the right ban ngaje je ko rami ngati kon latke ci challenge mo ci jetu bon wala chala do na gwazme what the session began with Machar file toka je ke Machar ala file mandana cha file cha jelep ci persecutory she ke for key document she can get submit she can evidence but she can get submit te nyu the no Riek Machar che der che jelat one and gwazme including an executive sanction for his arrest an authorization letter for national security a ministerial order and a document lifting the immunity of an MP God William wa ci kan ibden dial ci kan kanyot dobe yan ke Riek Machar ke je rewichin winimi ci kan lat kan ci awar gan to ci aga submit mani national security ba kan ti kan ka war gaba mi chala no ba Riek Machar ba je dil yen ki ba je suspend ba wona ka suspended but gwadame Dr. Machar who is under suspension from the first by president took the stand to state that he refused to cooperate with the initial investigation arguing that he did not recognize the committee formed by the Minister of Justice. Ajena committee in content cha kwany Minister of Justice ke jingone ajena chekare jack investigation kan lat ajena chekare jack ndial. Ajena nana ajena Dr. Machar ajena take a constitutional immunity as the first vice president. Okay? Chawote take immunity ke take a long ke take a power. Ajena you could not be investigated first of all. Again, nyok bache nyok rajin wonene ajeni mechi tuoka Nasser men tuoga ajeni sid some ki men chalke ceasefire and monitoring and evaluation akanetin kontin de mechi tuoka Nasser kanit konde jo investigate chi kuma de yo okay ko sid some kanit konde take along chi kirma yadi ajeni bachi National Security Service body take along ajeni sid some akwe anaja gwadum Machar maintained that due to his constitutional immunity as first vice president, he could not be investigated. He further argued that the incident in Nasser, which formed the basis of the charges, should be handled by the CDSAM monitoring body, as the complainant is the National Security Service. A generating con te right the National Security Service, so she generating con tin la CDSAM. Jene me chala na wal chine me chaling ne ka Ramadan lawyer la jojo no ne ke zame shi dung South Sudan e dung sidi sam ni sidi sam Canadian content mit bondang ro michigin of course SPLI michigin kan SSPDF then Ramadan de na mo de jore ke de gu kuma na lero de Canadian shal ke sidi sam ko sidi sam kwa je form ke 2018 peace agreement ne da daga ma char nga mandana lede. Okay, Guadame, his comment followed the investigator presentation of a statement allegedly recorded from March on April 14, 2025, after his arrest on March 26 via executive order. Ta ye charing ma char chaje yen kaje jene medane cha yen kaje jene shi long ko ngai kondial medane chalat antema chi dagma char chela do wonene. When questioned by the judge, Machar admitted the statement was his, but immediately challenged its content, asserting it contained a mixture and restating that he only provided the committee with a statement, not an official testimony, as he had questioned the legality of his arrest and the committee mandate. Cheti jaja kan ko do be dan e yan keje. Reng Machar cha yen illegally. Dio jete mga yen mi yan karan. Chang jin ordinary person, chang tele ji power, chang tele ji long. Menyam ke mi chaji yen ba jin nan ko court ke 24 hour but kanalat dio je kwa je le non ko court up to 6 months number jireng ma cha che challenge ko ngai konen go ngai jongot chi ram shi ordinary person mu kuin dan le road he been there and you know how the law work so jen ma ko challenge ko je le to ban wale right konen cha jo me cha je lat eno jireng ma charan wale che lo no jen but comply kamanana chalat and 18 contla Minister of Justice including judges kata dana chicken investigation dikalat keje again na me chana no akan kono ni metola arwa me ka kui panan ki international musician Emmanuel Jal te ga jo mi chalat dio je mi jiram dongla nyingi Emmanuel Jala ka guri der mandana chalat dio je der ngach atega jom chalat gwasame mugor bakwen ya cha cheer ne tung one online Emmanuel Jal ngajetin kon lat Corodian ramanga ke globally first of all okay there do there je lar mila talk me the link ka do dan le ro de je gwasame so let me read it out ka to kawaini so billing if you truly want to break the hope of a people, you do not start with the weak. You go for the greatest. You take the one who is most feared, most respected, the one who carries their pride, their courage, and their dream. You humiliate him in pain, in plain sight, in front of his children and his community, and then you attempt to destroy him completely. That is how you send a message that the hope has no future. Reng Machar ka jo chala je gwadme jene mugur jene to bike humiliate ki bike yar ki bike nyodan woken tele kalot laken biram dini jen kake men gui ken wangde jiram dan bi kan no be destroyed ko be kul nyodan ne de ti tele kalot ngai ko Reng Machar je la hopo kanwer ajaram dana kwa target palane diala ko kena ti tin guiron woto te kelke ring machar these are the people they are weak they know nothing telme ngachen kene ka queen ne kel ajem la ring machar la ja target ke je ka jen kuy menol jala lara wonena mi guri jen wo bineda to bi hobdien bi jabat kenyam siga civilian bu target bi civilian bi target ni leader yen ki bosdien ko jaram dana bumni jen men de jore de jeling tingelara ne jen wo wuja dak dera dak jaram dana bi target kenyam ci manuel jal ci jo mo ci jetop ko ngejen wo ram bumna jen katte ko dera mal dera junu re wi ke so sudan e dr riek machar tin durgon a cegnono ngay kon yalla kon lat ko rodien so riek machar jaram danen an ngake lungo de so sudan de jinong mal chumenta moray kon is the only person mu kune dial ku ko hobdien ku kana lat keje ko ngay kon mu kana lugo me cha lugo gwa ya ngaje no ci so sudan ci bete kamal jen ci dum wan ci kala long chen bulane ko ngay yen dial ka self determination de jan jakko ba South Sudan ba jego right now again father of South Sudan chemla larga no John Garang Mabur just a new Sudan ci fay ni jan ka kui South Sudan Dr. Riek Machar ba tene to wana gorge jen wo de kana bat ano la larga no yen mi chung yen ke Dr. Machar ci abat no Riek Machar jala hopone mi gui yene ane dial konter ko kortema nuari kaneti nyamdo no gode malderben despite politician and contin janwar cha ka logo ko shunkan kel kamal ne da to gor kana kwan gor kana metno dien gor kana chana nyogo wobe ka jang ngum mi logo ke kala leader mo ke 20 years Reagan special 14 years ne me kwa independent kwa je ke 2011 a chika te rich ngum ci bente mal ci ben tele mal ate development me ben tele development ngum ci tore wi ci ben kortin ka me chala da no ba ko in kwar ba jelat election riyakanete kon la jang special kirme yadit ci no no teke election me delat ko dole gui jeno ba power tege je ba jenang Riek Machar ka ngay kono no mutual keme election a probability by the way she 100% there and la 50-50 they repart ke ci depart but wudem mutual keme kirme yadit gui jeno Riek Machar ba kombe jenang that is why so jo me amde yenanga entama manjitu ogene siajo shala panan ki international musician Emmanuel Jal Chiajeling chunga ka chunga ke Riek Machar ko der mal der jenno chemi jeke de support ko ngeje e shall soldier michiten yala ko na lat ko ni chenga e nyoggen they went through a lot situation to want teacher tin so men la jok gwa de me cha nang ka chengol bakel en luga jok so ko kujamo ka chanka wal bakel ka pai wala meni ajen ba lu ba nyoko waje lu je cha dia cha kap chonga wale so jen dana gore de nya kon kel bani je le rodien please ko tem tir ko ken belalat so gor jeno de yen linga nono en biata ko mal